Hello there guys, and welcome to another Milkers Maths tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to be looking at triggering animations on scroll. So we get a little reveal like this. Now I know that you might see some stuttering. I've got a pretty powerful machine, but for some reason, I think it's the recording software, it kind of slows down the animation and it doesn't make it look too smooth. But I can promise you this, on any modern browser it looks smooth as hell. So yeah, I know there's like a million other tutorials on like scroll triggering animations on scroll, but they just all seem so boring to me. Like, it's just scroll down, fade in, scroll down, fade in, and you know, a million websites do this. You can get a WordPress template and click a button and it will make it fade in. But I just think, and I know a lot of you are learning, but I just think you know, we could do something that looks a bit cooler than the normal and learn doing something a bit more fun. But well, I think it looks cool anyway, but I'll let you guys decide that. Yeah, so for this we are going to be using GSAP, and we are also going to be looking at ScrollMagic. I'm going to start by doing the HTML, and then we're going to move on to the CSS, and then finally we're going to get to the fun part where we animate it all. So cheers for watching guys, and I'll see you in a second. Okay then, so first things first, let's go to initializer.com. I'll stick the link below, and then we're going to click on responsive, and this will give us our starter files. Let's go no template, and we can remove all this, like we don't need that, and then let's download it. So I've downloaded one earlier, I've unzipped it, and I've opened it in our text editor here. So we want to obviously start in the body, and first of all, let's see what have we got. We have got a, let's go back to our thing, and we have got a header section here. So let's come here and let's do a section. There we go, and inside the section we have a header. So let's go header H1, sorry, H1, and let's say, what did I write? Milk is nice. Oh yeah, wasn't it? Milk is nice. Oh yeah. Okay, and actually what we need to do is wrap this in something. So I'm going to be using CSS Grid. I know some of the older browsers don't like it, but I do. So we're going to use it, and you could always use fallbacks, but just for this project we will be using it because I love it and I think it's the future of CSS. So let's make a class of d-grid, and let's wrap it. What am I doing? I need to cut that, sorry. Then let's wrap our H1 in there, and then underneath our H1 I had a little scroll down, didn't I? So let's write let's what was it, P scroll down or something, scroll down. I can't type again today. Right, so that's our top section, and then we're going to make a new section for the next part where our portfolio slidey things are going to go. So section, and inside of our section let's make a grid of 12, and let's just do that for now. Grid, I need to go grid -12. I'm going to make a 12 column grid. Then we're going to need to put project class, and then we're going to say project left, because we've got left and right projects. So we've got one on the left here and one on the right here. So let's come back, and then we will open up this div, and then we want to put let's make a class of box, and our box is basically going to be our image. So we want to say img, and then I'm going to grab an image from Unsplash. So we're going to go https source.unsplash, and I've got this written down some 2 seconds. So the number I'm going to use, you can obviously use whatever images you want, but I'm going to use this one because I quite like it, B1, and it's FXB6G. okay, that should work hopefully. And then underneath here we want to put a class of overlay, because this is going to be doing our magic to make it appear and stuff, and we don't need to put anything inside this. This is just going to be styled. And then next, what have we got next? We want to do our box thing here. So let's come inside of our grid, and then we don't want it inside the box, we want it here, and then we can go, what should we call this? It's like the project info, isn't it? So let's call it project info. I always forget the dot. Project info. And inside here, we've got a small title here. This is bad. Let's move this across. Let's move this over so we can sort of see both then. Okay. And here we got identity website print. So let's make a class of, say, like small title. So let's go p class equals, and then small dash title info, small title, wasn't it? And then I'm gonna put in identity website print, and we'll style this in caps later. And then we will go h4 underneath, I think. h4, and then let's say this is the first project. Okay, project, and then we've got a button underneath, I think. So yeah, we got C, our case study. So let's go A, and let's give this a class of project link, I think. Project, let's do that first. So project link, and then I think that's okay. Then what we got in here, we can put see our case study, or whatever. Should we see the C case study in that? Okay, I think that's okay for now. So then let's just check we've got everything wrapped in our grid and our project inside of the section. Okay, so next we're going to get our libraries. So first of all, what should we get? Tween Max first. So come back over here, and then we're going to do a search for Tween Max CDN, and come here and then click on the top link there, and then scroll right down, and we can see we want the minified version, and then we can grab the script tag and then paste that underneath here. Next we want to get ScrollMagic, so let's go ScrollMagic CDN, ScrollMagic CDN, and then actually I'm going to grab, I think for this tutorial what we'll do is we'll get the indicators too, because I think we could probably sort of show things, how things are working a bit better with the indicators, but we'll come back to that. So that's in there, and then what do we need? We need the animation as well, ScrollMagic animation thing, animation CDN. So let's have a look. We can come back to here, and then we want the minified version of animation.gsap.min. So let's copy that script tag, and then let's stick that below there. Is there anything else that we need? I don't think so for now. So let's just come back and have a look what we've got on our HTML thingy-mabob in our browser. There we go. So we got our title, we've got our image, and we've got all of our shizzle underneath. Cool. All right, guys. thanks again for watching, and next time we're going to be looking into the CSS, I think. So yeah, and we'll also do the right side and the left side. I don't know whether we can do that next or do that when we're animating. I'll have a think about that. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers, bye.